Hello, Mayhem Makers. Mindy with Quilting Mayhem, and working on this unboxing, getting through our receiving room. Oh my gosh, so much fabric has come in. So we're refreshing the shelves, getting you new stuff, and we're excited. So of course, we're still getting holiday stuff. So much holiday. So hopefully we've got a lot for you guys to help get ahead of the holiday season, and I hope you like what we got coming in. So this is a Robert Kaufman called Jingle Pals. So this is for those cat lovers. I mean, come on. Look at that face. This collection's just super cute. Look at these mice. Little mice and ornaments. Another fun break collection. Kind of different, unique colorways. This pink with the reds and the purples and the teals. Which I like. You know, I get tired of your traditional Christmas. Little elf mice, candy cane mice. So it's fun. It's fun to get, especially that like this. We don't see much Christmas in this really bright color. And then of course you got a little more traditional, but it's got the fun teals and purples, those little brighter confetti flecks in there. And then of course mice on a cream background. And then cats in a green background. And I love, this is like a deep tealy blue. Oh, I love this. This color palette is definitely different than what we're used to seeing for Christmas. So I hope you enjoy this new collection. We're going to get it out on the shelf soon. Keep on stitching.